So this week's video is supposed to be about molding and casting these steering wheel pieces, but after several days of work, I've got nothing to show for it except a bunch of failures. Now, I haven't actually done any casting for about 20 years, so I am a little rusty, but this little thing just presented problem after problem, so we need to regroup a little bit, and I'm going to make it work. It's just going to take a little bit more work than I had intended. I just wanted to take a moment and thank all of our new viewers here. The channel has really blown up over the last 6 months or so. And for those of you asking if we're going to be doing any more Carnival Ride setup videos, yes, we will. But here in the Northeast, they're all put away for the winter, so we need to wait for that season to start up again. Although I do believe in a few weeks that I am going to be recording setup of a Double Eagle Ferris wheel, so we got that to look forward to. Also, in a couple weeks coming up, I'm going to be heading down to Florida to the Gibtown Trade Show, so if you see me down there, be sure to say hi. And also, we just got some new vinyl stickers for the channel, so I'll have those with me. So if you say hi and ask for one of these, I'll be more than happy to give you one. So I've got some other things to show you. Did a lot of updates around the shop. Well, I'm down here on the floor, and that's fine, but getting back up is going to be the problem. So today I want to address something that's been bothering me for a long time. Ignore the bench and the whole mess under it. That's for another day. I've got to deal with that. This area down here has kind of been a catch-all. My trash can sits here, but specifically what I want to deal with is this lower roll-around cabinet. This is actually another one of those yard sale finds of my father's. And it's been fine for what it is, but I've never been completely happy with it, but the price was right. Specifically, I really don't like this bottom down here. This is just a sliding door, and everything just gets thrown in there, and it's very difficult to deal with anything. You literally have to get down here on the floor and crawl in to find stuff. But what I realized was that I have 41 inches here, which is enough for a 41-inch roll-around. So the goal today is to get this roll-around out, get a new roll-around in here, more efficiently use this space, then we can reorganize our drawers and hopefully make life better. You can get the back. Well, just set it down. There we go. Yeah, this is turning into a chilly day. Well, that was easy. Hard part's getting it over that threshold. All right, I've already cleared a bunch of stuff out of the top here, so we can close this. So, should be able to get that off of there. Guess I need to clean up this corner yet.
Ready? I got my side.
I got my side.
Possibly. Ready?
Yep. Just put it on top there. This one's deeper, but it's almost nothing there. Let's just put it on the...
You want to put it on top?
No, just put it on the... Now, when I tell you this barely fits, it... Like, we're going to have to get a shoehorn to...
Is it within a 30-second?
No, it's actually over by about 3 seconds. So we're just going to rely on the fact that this is plastic, and it's going to give us a little bit of leeway. Okay. Now, straight back. See? It's a perfect fit.
on it.
Yep. Alright, that's still miscellaneous. This is going to be saws. So still a lot of room for improvement, but I'm happy with the direction this is going. Got quite a bit more storage now for tools. I threw away a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this is going. I got some clutter back here in the corner that's mostly parts for the ride though. The lighting channels and things like that. So if those weren't there, that would be pretty good. It's also getting to the point where we can start looking at upholstery for the ride cars, and I put up a poll the other day on the community tab. If you haven't seen that, head on over there and place your vote for your favorite color, and if it's not one of the ones listed, put something down in the comments. So with the whole shop cleanup, I'm going to do a little bit of interior decorating, and I've got some carnival memorabilia and ride pieces that I'm just going to hang up on the wall. So I've already got this King Amusement ride badge. That's been up there for quite some time. You may have seen it in the past. These are scrolls from Alan Herschel. I got some other things I want to put up. I got these scrolls, and I'm not really sure whose these are. If you recognize these, let me know. They have no markings, so I don't know whether these are Alan Herschel or what. Got a ton of holes here. These parts came from an individual in Michigan who actually got them from the factory. When the factory was going out of business, he was in the area, and they were loading all this stuff up in 55-gallon drums to scrap it. And he started buying some of this stuff to save it. Now, he had a route of his own with some rides, so it made sense for him to try to save these parts in hopes of being able to use them someday. But he's now retired from that, and he started selling some of this stuff off. So this right here is a brand new, never used propeller for a King Kitty ride. I'm going to put that up. And last but not least, this King steering wheel. We're actually going to be using this later, but for now we're going to put it on the wall. Purely for my own amusement.
That was easy.
So these are more decorative pieces that came from old amusement park rides. If you want to follow along with all these projects, click that link to the left and come along for the ride.